Good morning, afternoon, creative coding students. Welcome back to day two of your distance learning amazing experience this week. So today I had a couple of plans that I thought might work out, but none of them really did. So we're going to do something a little different. But this is something that is going to be important for you to start understanding some of the programs that we're going to be using and some of the things that we're going to be doing in the future. Um, so, first of all, if you haven't already, you need to sign up for Coasters. The instructions on how to do that are on Canvas. There's a little PowerPoint that I'm going to want you to kind of go through. So here in Canvas, I have this sign up for Coasters kind of page, if you will, and there is a slideshow for you to go through here on Google Slide. Takes you through step by step on how to do it. You basically just sign up with your Google account, and then you're going to need to enter in your class code to make sure you join the right class. So all of those codes are listed here. Please, please, please double check your actual schedule. Make sure you join the right class. All of the classes currently are cross listed under the same section, which I believe is 3B. So if you're not in 3B, don't sign up for 3B. Make sure you only sign up for your actual correct class. And once again, if you're doubtful of that, oh, the other thing that might be a good indication to you as to which section you're in is the self starter that pulls up. Because 3B is only going to see 3B self starter. 4B is going to see the 4B self starter. And then 4A is going to see the 4A self starter. So that'll help you understand and know what section you're in as well. So for today, we're going to be working with the microbits. You obviously, well, some of you may have some experience with coding, but many of you, this is the first time you've ever done anything in a formal class with coding. And so we're going to kind of keep it easy. We're going to keep it simple for the activity today. So under these, I'm going to have a link for you in the assignment. I haven't created yet. I'm working on it right now as I'm making this video. It's gonna take you to this site here. This is called, microbit.org, and there's lots, hundreds of different activities that you can do, with microbit. So, several of you may have done the, Breakfast Coding Club, and you have your very own microbit. This is a great resource for you to be able to do lots of different projects and see everything that you can do with the microbit. If you're like, "Microbit? What are you talking about, Twenty?" I showed you an example of one in the introduction video. Thank you for those of you who watched that. I saw that there was a lot of views on that video, so I was impressed that you guys watched that introduction. So I'm going to show you the simulator, especially for those of you who don't have a microbit. And this is all you have to do today is just do the simulator. So they've got lots of different ones to choose from. These kind of tutorials, these lessons, projects that you can go through and do. So there's the thing for your heartbeat. There's a beating heart, an animation. There's a emotion badge that you can press a button and one of the emotions come up. So lots of different things that you can do. But what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little bit of simple animation. So this one here called animated animals. And the basic demonstration that they do is just they have a duck and the duck moves down. And that's really all the animation that they do on this. Not very exciting, but it is the example. So I'm expecting you to do something a little bit more complex for your lesson today. So as we look through this, the program creates an animation on the microbit's LED display output by using a built-in image and then one you create yourself. First, it shows the duck built-in image and then shows a modified version, which is made by moving all of the dots or pixels down one row. It shows the two different pictures, one after the other, with a half second, 500 millisecond delay to make it look like a duck bobbing up and down on the water. An infinite loop keeps the microbit showing the image sequence until you unplug the microbit. Using loops in computer programs is also known as iteration. They help you create efficient, compact code without needlessly repeating the same instructions. So, what you're going to be doing today is you're going to come up with your own animation. So, it doesn't have to be an animal, and it doesn't even have to be one of the built in things. But what I want you to do is come up with something with five kind of different images that it's going to progressively flash through to create your final animation. So let me show you how that's going to be done, and then how to do it and get it turned in. So you're going to click here under code. You're going to go to open and make code, and it's going to automatically give you this duck program. So when you do make code, this is the simulator that you can use if you don't have a microbit. You have a microbit. It also you can download your program to the microbit using make code here. So you can see it's showing this is the icon that starts off with, and then the duck goes down. So as I said, you have to come up with one with 5 different things in the animation, and this is just one. So another example I'll give you to kind of give you an idea how to do this and make your own. We're gonna do the guy doing jumping jacks here. Okay, so we have the little man here. He starts out, and then for the second one, we've got to make a modification of the little man, and he's going to have his legs come in, and his hands, instead of being straight out to the side, they're going to go up at an angle. So we're going to just do here, here, and here, here. And so then you can see he goes there, and then he goes up. Or she, I guess it could be she doing jumping jacks here. So once again, that's only 2. So you're gonna need to come up with something with 5 different actions. So you could do um, this same stick figure like walking across the screen. So you can have it kind of start on one side and then move its arms and legs as it goes across. Um, you can have an arrow that kind of comes down or goes up or goes from one side to the other side. I was looking at some of these as well. You could do they have like an umbrella here somewhere. I thought I saw one. There's umbrella. So you could do like little raindrops coming down and then have the umbrella kind of come up to block the rain. So they have a giraffe. You can do the giraffe moving across the screen. Sailboat going across the screen as well. Music notes. There's all kinds of possibilities of things that you can do. You just need to, like I said, come up with 5 different frames for your animation. So once you get your program put together, and you get all of your 5 done, then what you need to do is turn it into Canvas. The way that you're going to do that is right here on the share, which is this 3 little dots here. It's a share project. So I call it animated animals. And when I hit publish project, it's going to give me this URL. Okay. Please make sure to actually do this. Do not copy the URL from up here. You copy this editor, then what it's going to do is when I go to open it, it's going to open the editor and what I did last. It's not going to open your project. So if you want to publish your project and get credit for what you've done, you have to publish and share the project. So you, like just shows you, you're gonna hit that 3 here. We'll even circle it here with a pen. Okay, hit this thing right here, right there, the 3 little dots, and then you're gonna hit. It's gonna have you publish. You hit that, and then it gives you this uh, URL, which you then are going to copy to turn into Canvas. So in Canvas, in the assignment, you're just going to paste that URL for you to be able uh, to turn in. And eventually, I might make a thing where you can have other students look at what it is that you've done. Maybe like the discussion next time for the self starter, you can like put what you animated and people can check it out and we can see it instead of just me, the teacher, seeing it. So have fun doing some coding. They recommend when you do this, kind of planning things out. So if you get out some graph paper here, on their planning sheet. Oh, I already opened this, but we'll open it again. So there's their planning sheet. If you want to just get out some graph paper at home and kind of sketch out what it is that you want to have done, this, of course, gives you 12 different frames. Remember, you only are required to do five. So do the five, make it awesome, make it amazing. If you have questions, contact me via email. If you need, I can hop on Zoom to help you problem solve and troubleshoot things if you can't figure out. But hope you're having fun. Good luck with this. It shouldn't take you too long. It should be kind of fun. And hopefully, we will see each other next week on Monday or Tuesday. So we will see you guys then.